Devin Labranche here, and we're about to do some scuba diving in Gore Bay. We're going to get under those boats. We're going to see if there's anything lost, clean up some trash if we can. Beautiful Gore Bay day, and do some diving.
I got a little bit of trash, not much.
There's a bungee I dropped over here.
I'll get your bungee, buddy.
Yeah?
But first I'm just going to help out with the rudder over there, then I'm going to do a whole scout.
Right on.
That's
Any
fun.
fish?
A lot of mussels, I've not seen many fish. Hi, puppy dog.
Oh, what is that guy?
Oh, you're so handsome. Yes, you are. Oh, hi there, puppy dog. Oh, good boy.
Right on. That's a first for him. Push him away. Push him away. You got it. Good work. Hey, buddy. How's the water?
It's actually nice.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Okay, so I'm going to push up and then you're going to bag, and then when I stop here bagging, I'm going to come back up.
You got it. That's the plan.
Oh,
It's all fixed, thank you. That's all it took.
alright, I'm going to go exploring.
Damn, that was awesome, dude.
Oh.
We're all nicely set up here.
Cool. Where am I?
Gore Bay.
Oh, neat. You guys drop anything? You guys,
No.
you all found?
We just took a motor off, hoping we didn't drop it, but we said, I think there's a guy in there if we did.
I would have gone if we would have been happy. Okay, so
We can throw something down there if you want to look for it. This is the launch right here.
yeah.
Looking for anything in particular?
Just help Buddy with his rudder a bit, then try to clean up some trash.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now I'm over it and I want a beer.
You surprised me.
So first of all, we grabbed the rudder, we pushed it up, so now it's in place. We're good for a sail, which we'll see in another video actually. But first off, let's check out these treasures. We got a tire. I think that was just used for a bumper. But we actually found a little bit of trash. I was surprised, it's a pretty clean house over there, which is good. We don't want pollution. But here we go. We got a old bottle. We got this bag, which is, I don't know what this is for. Some sort of leisure activity, I suppose. And then the number 12. So fun little dives, my first dive recording. Oh yeah, we got bungee cord. So one of the guys on the boat told me, he says, if you can find my bungee, I'd be stoked. And well, I got his bungee. And right on cue, Alex is here. And that's that. So if you like that content, check out my other videos and we'll catch you on the next dive.